everyone and welcome to day 22 of Spooktober. So as you've probably already guessed, I am Super Mario today. This is going to be super easy, like quick snap costumes that you basically already have in your wardrobe. So all you need to be Super Mario or Luigi is a red top or a green top if you're going to be Luigi, blue overalls of some sort, whether it be dungarees or a pinafore. I've chosen a pinafore because I don't have any blue dungarees. I only have a black pair, which isn't really Mario's costume. I didn't want to twirl fully there because I didn't want to flash in my pants. That would have not been a good idea, would it? No one wants to see that. But yeah, and I've gone for a red polo neck. You can wear a t-shirt or a long sleeve top or whatever you fancy. And it's 3/4 sleeves. You can either roll it up or you can wear it all the way down, whatever you fancy doing. And for a hat, I don't have a hat because I don't intend to be Mario and I don't really want to buy a hat when I'm not going to be Mario. Charlie! My dog's playing with the speaker toy. Are you quite done? But yeah, for a hat, all you'd have to do is get like a red kind of biker style hat, like that kind of thing with the visor going on. And you don't have to get the full like proper hat that they give you with the Mario costume because that's going to be expensive. You may as well just make your own by getting a red biker hat, cut out a like white big card in a circle shape, draw in the M yourself and like hot glue it onto the hat. It's that simple. And if you want to make this like even more fun, why not make it Mario Kart? All you would have to do for this is like make your own kart. I know it sounds like really difficult, but all you would have to do is get a sledge and attach it to a skateboard. You could use that with cable ties or whatever you fancy doing, and then build cardboard around it and just paint it in the shape of a cart. How amazing would that be? I've seen other people do it, but if that's something you would like to do for Halloween, I'd definitely recommend it. It looks so cool, but that's not what I'm doing for Halloween, so there's no point in me going to all that effort right now, because yeah, like, I do have a skateboard and I do have a sledge, but I don't have loads of cardboard. But if you do struggle to get cardboard, you could go to your local shops and ask, because they always have big sheets of cardboard from deliveries and stuff. So yeah, that is my tip for being Mario or Luigi. And if you want to be Wario, you could just get purple overalls and a yellow top and you're sorted. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and I'll see you tomorrow for another Halloween themed video. And yeah, bye!